With Biller Genie, it's easy to create beautiful branded invoices, and setting up your branding is simple. From the main menu, navigate to the control panel dropdown and select branding. From there, you will see a list of options to help personalize your invoices, reminders, and the customer portal. First, let's upload your wide logo. This will be used on invoices, reminders, and in your branded customer portal. You should upload an image that is 500 pixels by 100 pixels. You can use a JPEG or PNG image, but we recommend PNG as it has a transparent background. To upload, click the Choose File button and locate your saved logo on your computer. Next, use the slider to ensure the logo fits within the white box. Once your logo looks good in the white box, click the blue Upload button. Underneath Wide Logo is the icon logo. This will be used in our mobile app. You'll want to upload an icon version of your logo that is square and 100 pixels by 100 pixels. As with before, drag the slider until your logo fits within the white box. Click Upload. The last option is to select your company color. The color will be used on your invoices and in your branded customer portal. Simply click the box next to the company color to open the color selection screen. There are two ways to select your color. You can drag the sliders until you select the color that matches your brand, or you can enter your exact color numbers using the HSV, RGB, or hex codes on the right. Click OK once you have made your color selection. Then click the blue Update button. Congrats! You have successfully branded the experience for your customers and your settings have been auto-saved. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to support.